Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Coco and today we're going to be getting into a Rise with Energy morning flow. So for today's practice, it's about finding strength and stillness and flow. You don't have to push to be strong, you just have to show up. Let's begin. Start by grounding into your breath in a comfortable seat. Take 3 breaths, slowly inhaling new energy to activate your body, and slowly exhaling through your mouth or nose to release all tension and stress. And we'll do this for 3 rounds. Inhale deep, exhale, release. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Start off in tabletop, stacking the knees below the hips, hands stacked below the shoulders, back parallel to the mat. And we'll take cat-cow. Inhale, rise the sternum up, looking forward. Exhale, draw the navel towards the spine, spreading the shoulders as you tuck your chin to your chest. And we'll take 3 rounds here. Inhale up and exhale down. We'll come back to center and rise the right arm up and forward, pointing the thumb up, lifting your opposite leg straight behind you for balancing tabletop. Engaging the core. We'll crunch in 4 times, knee to elbow, exhaling as you pull in, inhale as you extend back out. Hold and balancing tabletop and then release back down as you switch to the other side. Knee to elbow again 4 times. Inhale as you stretch out, exhale as you curl under. And try to maintain your balance here. As you come back into a neutral position, we're going to warm the hips up with a few dancing lions, rotating the hips 3 times in one direction and then 3 times to the other side. Gently lift your knees up, curling your toes under, pressing your hands to the mat to hold in plank for a few seconds. Shift over to your right hand for side plank. And you can hold your left hand to your hip or extend your left arm up as you hold in plank. Lift your hip up as well. Come back to center and then we'll shift over to the left hand. Lift your hips as you hold in plank. Just take a few breaths here. As you come back to center, hold in plank just for a few seconds, engaging your core. And then slowly lift your hips up into downward facing dog. Pedal the feet here for a few moments as you breathe. Inhale, lift the left leg up behind you and bend at the knee. Rotate your leg in one direction 3 times and switch to the other direction as you breathe. Lift the left leg back up and ground the foot forward, grounding the back knee down. Lift your arms up for a low crescent lunge. Hands to heart center, and we'll twist, anchoring the right elbow over the right knee or the left knee and extend the arms out as you breathe. Hands to heart center again, press forward and lift the left leg back behind you. Bring that foot down and we'll pedal the feet down to downward facing dog. Switch to the opposite leg, lifting your right leg up this time, bending at your knee, and we'll rotate in one direction and circle into the opposite direction for some hip circles. Rise the right leg up and then step the right foot forward, grounding the left knee down. Inhale, lift the arms up, palms facing each other for your low crescent lunge. And we'll take a twist here to the right. Ground back down. Inhale, lift the right leg up, and then press back into downward facing dog for a couple breaths. Inhale, lift the left leg back up. Step the left foot forward, keeping the right knee up, and we'll lift the arms up to a high crescent lunge, bending at the front knee. Hold here in high crescent lunge for a few breaths, and then pivot the back leg to about a 45-degree angle for your warrior 2. Palms facing down and gazing forward. Flip the front palm up and back. Bring the right arm down and to reverse warrior. Come back to warrior 2 and then lift the back leg behind you. Extend both of the arms up in front of you. Crown reaches forward for warrior 3. Bring the palms back to heart center. Release the left arm down and rise the right arm up for half moon. Slowly step the back leg down, back to warrior 2. Cartwheel the hands down, lift the left leg up behind you, and bring it back down for downward facing dog. Spread the fingers wide as you press down, and then we'll lift the right leg up this time. Step the right leg forward. Lift the arms up as you inhale for your high crescent lunge. Bend at the front knee. Turn to warrior 2, pivoting the back leg, gazing forward, and then we'll flip the front palm up and back as we inhale, release. Come back to warrior 2, hands to heart center, and we'll shift forward for warrior 3. Ensure you have enough room between your wall and your arms. And lift the back leg up as you engage your glutes. Bring the palms back to heart center, slowly releasing the right arm down to the mat. Lift the left leg and the left arm up for half moon. Slowly ground your left leg down, bend at the right knee, back to warrior 2, gazing forward. Take a couple of breaths. Cartwheel the hands down as you exhale. Inhale, lift the right leg back up. Step it back down to downward facing dog. Slowly crawl the hands back towards the feet. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale into chair. Hands to heart center. And we'll twist over to the left. And then over to the right. You can extend the arms in each twist. Back to center. And we'll slowly bring ourselves down to a seat. Extend your legs forward. Prepare yourself for boat pose. Slightly bending the knees. We'll bring the palms to the sides, facing each other, and then lift the feet up. Engaging the core. We'll take a couple of crunches here. Hold in boat for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then lift back up slowly. Take a breath here for a moment. And then we'll come back to boat. And we'll hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release all the way down back to the mat. Bring the knees close to the chest, hugging the knees to the chest, and we'll take a quick twist here. First, hug the left knee in and twist the left knee over to the right, gazing over to the left. Hug the knee back in, and we'll twist, hugging the right knee in this time, and then twisting over to the left. And when you're ready, release back down to Savasana, and we'll ground here as we close. Let your body settle and slow your breath. Remember, the strength you just built isn't force, it's about presence. Carry this grounded energy with you no matter what today brings. Slowly inhale and exhale. And let yourself just melt into the mat. We'll take a quick morning stretch. Inhale, rise the arms up overhead. And release, turn to the side. Take a quick breath here. And slowly bring yourself back up to your seat. You can keep your eyes closed here. Take a quick breath. Inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, release, hands to heart center, and we'll bow in. Namaste. Thank you again for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more morning flows. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.